I had the experience of a lifetime to go out to Dubai, and it was amazing. My name's Jacob, and I do sport coaching in college, and I coach football outside of school as well. So I started coaching when I was about 15. This year and last year I had the opportunity to go and coach out in Dubai with football coaching and see what football's like around the world and seeing different aspects of football. It helps me coach a bit better as well because people out there are more experienced, and I can come back here and teach everyone else what I've learned. And especially for college, it's a mental help because I know a bit more about coaching, and they help me in college how to coach, so I can take that out there. I can bring what I learned back there from here. Hopefully in the future I get to move away and do what I love doing. And the college being such a big help, as soon as I think I finish college, I'm going to try and get experience to work away. And that's all I want to be, as a football coach.